In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan receipts for taxes using Expensify app. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to new.expensify.com and you want to sign into your account. And after this, you want to click on the plus button at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on Create Expense. Here, you want to make sure you actually navigate to the middle one over here, which says scan. And then here it says upload receipts. You can just drag receipts onto this page. You can forward them to this email over here, or just choose files to upload over here by clicking choose files. After this, just select your files in here, and then you can just basically click on next, and then it's going to essentially scan your receipts. Now, of course, you can also get the app, and then you can scan the receipts on your phone directly without having to actually upload anything. But of course, in case you are using the web version, you're gonna have to upload them in here and they will get scanned. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.